So what's up guys, Chris Hacks Life here. Welcome to the channel. This is a channel that's dedicated to helping you. I want to see you do better with your finances, and I want to see you be able to go to places that you don't think that you can afford, but you actually can. What we talk about here are things like credit card rewards, travel hacking, and all things personal finance, side hustles. Today I want to talk about how you can get 25 free dollars worth of crypto that could grow to who knows what. So just stay tuned if that sounds like something you'd be interested in. So a couple days ago, I decided to sign into my PayPal account and see how much money was in there. I do a few little freelance deals, side hustles, trying to make a little bit of extra money, and I wanted to see what my account was worth. So when I sign in, I get this announcement, this information that you could just put $25 worth of your PayPal cash toward crypto and you get a $25 back. So I thought I would check this out. I signed up and that's what I did. So if you don't get that announcement when you sign in, I'm going to put a picture right now that shows you where you can go. You can go into the offers that they have, click it a couple of times. This should show up. If it doesn't, I'll also leave a link in the description below. You can't get $25 worth of free Bitcoin, but you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So what I do is I go in and I buy $25 worth of Litecoin. That didn't cost me $25, but $28.58. There's a fee associated with buying crypto on PayPal, which makes it maybe not the best thing to do, but also Coinbase requires you to do that as well. So it's kind of a wash. Anyway, they have 4 different types of cryptocurrency you can buy on PayPal and sell. This will be Bitcoin, this will be Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. I decided to buy some Ethereum and I got right around 7/1000th of an Ether. I think that's what it's called anyway. So I have that in Ethereum, and well, I go in and I check my PayPal account, and I also get an email that says I have a $25 reward that I could pay with. And anyway, that's what I did. I had a membership coming up on a professional organization I belong to, $40, and it wound up costing me $15 out of my PayPal cash. Everything else came from the rebate that I got from buying the $25 worth of Litecoin. And it's even better. I checked yesterday, just 24 hours after I purchased the $25 worth of Litecoin, and it was not worth $25. It wasn't even worth the $25.58 I spent. It was worth more than $26. So this could, if the volatility skews toward the upward, or is it the upward angle? I'm not sure looking there. But anyway, if it's going up, you get more money out of that. You could sell it and then profit. You do have to pay taxes on it, but hey, paying taxes on profit is better than paying nothing because you didn't make any profit. So anyway, I hope this has been beneficial to you. If it has been, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want you to be aware of this. But I would appreciate it. You could pay me back by punching that like button and also blowing up the subscribe button and clicking the notification bell so that you'll be informed when the next video comes online. So hopefully let me know in the comments whether it works for you. And until next time, this has been Chris Hacks Life. Have a great day.